If you manage to reach the airport before that, you have to cross these waterlogged streets of country's capital. The drainage system, infrastructure development begs the question, was desilting not done? Was these precautionary measures not taken? Why should people early this morning, office hour hasn't even started yet, have to wade through such knee-deep water? There are several streets of National Capital and NCR that have reported. The Minto Bridge, where you can see the train that's passing through slowly, where a busy intersection. You head to the station, you head to other parts of Delhi, to ITO. It's submerged. People are literally, they cannot even cross this anymore. And the extent you can see from the boards, which are, with the height is very high of these boards, and yet you can see that they're almost there. People have to stand on these pedestals to be able to get a view of what's unfolding. We did see some vehicles also that were submerged in this water. At least when it comes to Minto Bridge and other areas, this was absolutely expected. Look at people struggling to keep their vehicles afloat, stuck, specifically the cab drivers at this point. These are the latest visual coming in this morning. And if you manage to reach the Delhi airport, then there is a roof collapse at the T1. Blame Aam Aadmi Party or the NDA, but the fact is, eventually it is the common man on the ground who suffers. Amit Bhardwaj is joining me now. Amit, so, you know, I can't help but think, because this was supposed to be a moment of relief for the people of Delhi NCR, that finally there has been a dip in the temperature. They can venture out possibly, but there's already waterlogging and a roof collapse.
Right, Pooja, you know, waterlogging was actually expected though, you know, and as the day progresses, you will see that the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi government will be blaming the central government and the Home Ministry, or rather the AP for this. Because apparently a couple of days back when I had met the ministers within the Delhi government, they were saying that they have asked for desilting report during the model code of conduct. Desilting is a process for our viewers' understanding, which is done months before the monsoon is expected to hit. All the sewage canals are properly cleaned, and it is a standard practice. And if that does not happen proper, this is the situation which is expected to happen, you know. Desilting, your water pumps are working or not, everything has to be checked and properly managed. And we had seen, if you would remember last year, as to how the Aam Aadmi Party government was on its toes to ensure that everything is prepared before the monsoon hits the national capital. And even with such kind of preparation, there were problems here and there. But this time around, with model code of conduct being imposed, the Delhi government sources had already told us that the officers had not submitted desilting report, and naturally the situation is very visible as to what kind of work has been done when the elections were happening in the national capital, when all this groundwork was supposed to be done. Stay on with
me, Amit, because the information that I have is that in the few hours of rainfall that happened late last night and early this morning, 153.7 millimeter has been recorded. This is over Safdarjung, and 93 millimeter of rainfall over the Palam airport. And you see the visuals on your screen early this morning. So if you're leaving for your office, if you're leaving for the airport, this is what you may have to expect in parts of Delhi NCR. And then at the Terminal 1, where operations have been suspended because the roof has collapsed and there were people fear trapped as well. India Today's Himanshu Mishra sends us this ground report of water logging in the country's capital.
इस वक्त हम ITO चौराहे पर मौजूद हैं और आप देखिए यहाँ की तस्वीरें हम दिखा रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से पहली बारिश में ही ये पूरा इलाका आप देख सकते हैं। ITO जो मेन रेड लाइट वाला इलाका है वो पानी हो गया है। चारों तरफ आपको पानी नजर आएगा, दोनों तरफ रोड के, और उन पानी के सामने लोग फंसे हुए हैं, गाड़ियों से अपने फंसे हुए हैं, क्योंकि अंदर की तस्वीरें वो देख रहे हैं। जो यहाँ खड़े हैं वो अंदर की तस्वीरें देखिए। सामने आपको एक मारुति पहले गाड़ी दिखेगी, उसके अंदर आपको दूसरी गाड़ियां फंसी दिखेंगी। जो इस पानी को पार करने की अपनी गाड़ी से कोशिश किया, उसकी गाड़ी अंदर ही फंस गई, क्योंकि पानी इतना ज्यादा है कि वो गाड़ी के अंदर, गाड़ी के इंजन तक पहुंच गया, और उसके बाद नतीजा ये हुआ कि गाड़ी बंद पड़ गई। इस वजह से उन गाड़ियों के हालात देख करके लोग दूसरे तरफ ही रुक गए हैं और आगे जाने के बारे में लोग नहीं सोच रहे हैं। और ITO चौराहा ये वो इलाका है जहां पर कुछ ही देर में, जब थोड़ा सा दिन और होगा, तो लोगों की यहाँ पे अच्छी खासी ट्रैफिक पहुंचे। और अभी की ये तस्वीर है, क्योंकि आगे पानी होने की वजह से ये पूरा रास्ता जो है वो ब्लॉक हो गया है। और आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर आपको ट्रैफिक नजर आएगा इस पूरी रोड पर। अब आगे जब निकलने का रास्ता नहीं है, वहां पर कोई उन्हें, आप देखिए जो रेड लाइट है वहां पर लोगों को अंदाजा नहीं है कि आखिर लोग रॉन्ग साइड कुछ लोग क्यों जा रहे हैं। ऐसे में लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं और चौराहे पर धीरे धीरे लोगों की भीड़ बढ़ती चली जा रही है। कैमरामैन कुंज बिहारी के साथ हिमांशु मिश्रा।